Hello folks, it's your old buddy CLG. Hey, I made this video a while back. It's programming a Baofeng BF-FHAP with Tidradio Bluetooth from your phone. Got a question on that video. The question is, can you read a radio already programmed and then plug the box into an unprogrammed radio to download the channels onto the new unprogrammed radio? The answer is yes, you can. And here's how you do it. Okay, so let's say this is radio A that has the channels on here that I want to copy out and then grab radio B and just install those into the radio. You can do that no problem. First thing we want to do is, of course, plug the Tidradio doohickey doodad into there. Turn it on. So now that's all reading. Okay. Next, we want to read the data from the phone, from the radio out to the phone, which basically goes into my profile that I have set up. So here's the app. First thing I'm going to do is click on the app. Then I'm going to turn the phone on. The radio on. Then I'm going to hit program. Then I'm going to go connect Bluetooth. See this little button? Click that over so it's on. Select model. I have a Baofeng. I have a UV5R now. I had the BF-F8HP last time, but that radio died on me. And basically, you can use the UV5R for both those radios. So that's what I'm using. So hit that. Hit read. So now it's reading, as you can see. It's reading the data from the radio through the Bluetooth, through the device, Bluetooth to the phone. Okay, there it is. Now I'm going to hit save, and we're going to save it to the RxTX list. I'm going to type a name. I'll type in CLG. Confirm. And I've just saved it. I've saved that file out. So now let's say I swapped everything around again. Okay, so basically gone. I just sucked the data out of radio A. Now let's put that radio back in radio B. Okay, let's say that's radio B. Let's plug the doohickey into the whatchamadiggy. Right. And next we do the same thing, only in reverse. So bring it back in, click on the app, turn the radio on. The reason why I do that is because I can't seem to get it to connect if I don't turn the radio on before I hit program. So program, connect the Bluetooth. So if I don't turn the radio on in the sequence that I did it, this little switch does not appear. It's kind of a screwed up deal, but see, it works. Now it's reading. Select model, same one. And I'm gonna go, let's see, I'm gonna go, I think program setting, yeah, okay. So now I'm going to go to my RxTX list, and here's the file I just made, CLG. Click on that. I guess so. Oh, you can share it, okay. You hit share, oh, you'll have to play with that. You can probably share it with other people on this system. So CLG, I'm going to hit write. So that's how you can copy from one radio to the other radio as long as this is your profile. Otherwise, this is a networking, or a, what do you call it, Facebook, whatever. This is kind of a social media app on here, by the way. So if I hit RXTX list, and I want to share this with somebody else who's got a ham radio but is not on my profile, share, save, share. So you can share with friends that are on this app. And let me show you one more thing here. So we covered the question that the gentleman had. I'm going to just go back to the main screen and show you something that I think is kind of interesting. I think what I'm going to do is shut it down, start it up again. So in here, so here is the kind of social networking part of it. If you click on me, there's a lot more going on in this thing. There's a, I don't know. I was on this one time going, you have to play around with this, but there is quite a bit. I think it's here. Yeah, friends right here. So you can basically set up this whole thing to have a bunch of friends on this network, and you can share your channel listings back and forth across the internet and then program your radio that way. I haven't played with that yet, but there's a lot you can do with this type of a system. But that's basically how you can copy a bunch of channels back and forth to multiple radios, and you can also share that data with friends that are in your network on this app. I hope that helps. Thank you, and have a goodie.